Hello and welcome to my team's scavenger hunt. I am in Team Australia, so for our study abroad trip we will be taking a trip to Australia, and one of the locations is in Sydney, Australia, which is what we are going to be looking at today. And I'm using AirPano, which is kind of like Google Earth, and that you can look around and kind of interact with things a little bit, but it's a little more limited in its locations. And so actually we only have 9 that we'll be visiting that it has for Sydney. So here's the first one. And I actually do have a list of things. So the first thing is the Sydney Opera House, which is a pretty easy one. Just wanted to start out kind of easy. It's located right here, as you can see in the Sydney Harbor, along with the bridge. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the first one. And now going to the second slide, Lavender Bay. I didn't really want to have one for this because it's actually, you're looking at a lot here and it's kind of hard to pinpoint something, but it's a pretty cool aerial shot of what's going on in Sydney. And then the next slide is the Royal Botanic Gardens, which you can see over here. They're located over here. And so for this slide, I asked if you could find a sailboat with a white sail. And there's, as you can see, there's a lot of boats in all the harbors, but the only one that is out right now that you can see with a sail is right under this bridge. So that one's kind of difficult. On to the next slide. For this one, we have Lavender Bay, which is Luna Park, where we're looking at. Here's all the boats in the harbor. For this one, I asked them to find the item on the scavenger hunt is a Ferris wheel, which is right here in Luna Park. So that one's pretty obvious as well. The next one for the Sydney Opera House, here's the nice overshot view of it. Oops. We actually don't have an item to find on this one, but again, it's another good aerial shot. However, you can't see Fort Denison from here. That's actually one item. You can see it on this one. You can also see it on the next slide, which is of Port Jackson. It's right there. And then we'll go to the next slide. Here's kind of like even another large overshot of everything. And here is a harbor bridge, and the item to find here is an orange buoy, so this one's actually pretty difficult. It is right here. And then the last one is you gotta find a seaplane. If you don't know what a seaplane is, it is a plane that flies and it can take off and land on water. That's right here. They're actually pretty popular in the Sydney area. And yeah, that's everything. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy it.